In this quick tip, I'm going to show you how you can make your own hotkey shortcuts, which is easy to do and saves a lot of time if you go through the menus a lot. Because Blender has tons of options, they cannot give them all a shortcut, so in this case Blender gives you a quick favorite button, which is Q. Now of course this menu is empty by default, but I'm going to show you a few very handy things. So let's just go and take this thing here and go into edit mode. Now if I want to select random vertices a lot, I need to go to select, the search select random, it's over here, now I've got it selected. But what if I use this a lot and I don't want to go through menus searching it each time? I can just hover my mouse on it, click the right mouse button and add to quick favorites. Now if I would press Q, it is added to the favorites. Now the nicest thing about this is if I go out of edit mode and I press Q, it ain't here because it's in something for edit mode. Now like I said before, I want to show you a few very handy things. If I would press Shift A and I just choose anything that I would like to use to spawn in a lot, for example the towers, I can add this to quick favorites. When I press Q, I can just quick spawn in those towers. This also works for sculpting. When we go into sculpting, you can say like add this to quick favorites, add that to quick favorites, and when I press the Q button, you can just quick choose one of those. And another nice one is into the node editor. When you use a lot of mix shaders, you need to press Shift A, then go to shader, go to mix shader. Instead of that, just add it to the quick favorites, press Q, and you can just quick spawn in a mix shader. And for the final one, you can even add a new collection to the favorite button. So when you press Q, new collection, select this collection, add a new collection into the collection. You can even turn this one into quick favorites, press Q and just turn it on or off. Now I do have to be fair that I wish to wear more things you can add it to the quick favorite menu. For example, have this one to the quick favorite menu, and or maybe even the tabs down here to a quick favorite menu. You just go into things a lot quicker. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more Blender, and also questions and requests are welcome anytime.